Hi there. I'm just wondering if you have been wondering what is a home-based self-testing kit. Yeah. Now, at XLab Diagnostics Africa, we sell home-based self-testing kits for particularly sexually transmitted infections such as hepatitis B and C, syphilis, gonorrhea, chlamydia, HIV. So what these kits do, you buy a kit and it has all the tools needed for you to do the test at home or wherever you are comfortable. So some of them will be using blood, the finger prick blood, others will be using urine, others will be using a swab of your vaginal canal or the urethral canal. So once you go with it home, it has instructions on how to do the test, how to interpret the results, and then if you need any assistance, we could have one of our staff come do the home testing for you, or once you have your results, you're wondering what to make of the results, or your results have come out as positive, then we do teleconsultation. Then you can talk to a doctor, and then they advise you on the next steps of testing as well as the next steps of treatment. So a self-testing kit means you have all the power, you have all the convenience, you have all the privacy, and therefore there is no fear, especially that which is related to stigmatization of diseases such as STIs. Yeah, so we are empowering you. So buy a kit, call us, WhatsApp, and you buy the kit, and then we will guide you on how to do the tests, how to interpret, and so on and so forth. So